Hey folks, welcome back to another episode of Shade Tree Alex. What do I got for you today? I got you a 2013 Journey, and what are we doing? We're changing the battery out on this. Alright? And I gotta admit, I've never changed the battery out on a Dodge Journey before. So we're about to learn, right? I've done it on other Dodges though, so I kinda know what I'm doing. So without further ado, here we go. So you wanna go on in here and you want to pop open your trunk, or sorry, you want to go on in here, you want to pop open the hood. It's right there by the door. Lift this thing open. Go look for our battery. Come on, man. Come on, man. Okay, so obviously where the battery would be located is not there, right? Well, that's because in Dodge, in Journey, and Avenger, possibly the Sebring, they decided to put the battery nicely, conveniently located inside this sexy fender. So, in order to get that off, the easy way to do it is to turn your wheel all the way to the left here. Get yourself some space. And you want to go in here and remove these clips right around these sides. And the best way I found to do that, because they are a pain in the buttocks to be doing, just take a little screwdriver, such. You want to pry it up, and then you know, half the time they break anyway, so just gonna pry them up and then grab yourself a pair of pliers and pull them out. So what I've done is I pulled apart this inner liner and I kind of just stuck it right here from now, and I also pulled down the bumper a little bit, and it's giving me access to the battery, which you can see in here. I think they're 10mm sockets on this, but pulling down this bumper and having this like that allows me to slip the battery up and through this between the wheel well here, and also get a wrench in there and take off these cables. Relatively simple. Not really. Alright folks, every now and then you come up into a problem here. I got a very rusted out hardware here, so I can't take it off because I stripped off the screw head of that, and it just keeps spinning. It's rusted. I tried some PB Blaster, whatever, it ain't gonna come off, so I'm gonna take it off up over here, and of course I'm gonna have to replace this whole little head. But that's that. I got the other side off. I'm just gonna pull it off after. So I got the old battery out. What I ended up doing is pulling up on that this connector here, and then on this, what I ended up doing was pulling up on this connector, and then instead of taking it off through there, this nut right here, and taking off this whole piece, I want to kind of save this, so I cut off the bolt here with an angle grinder, and I'm going to replace that hardware, put this new battery in there. Alright, new battery's installed. New hardware is installed. I just gotta put this bumper back up with this splash shield, and I'm gonna start her up. Okay, it's nighttime. Bumper's finally back on. Fender's on. Splash shield's on. Car's running. You know what? What took like a 3-minute video clip for you guys was like probably like 3 or 4 hours for me, because this car's a pain in the butt. Alright, there's no doubt about it. Alright, so if you like any of my content, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.